students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is Let's Read. In today's session, we will read the sentences with S sound words. We know many words with S sound now. Let us understand to frame sentences and to read them. Let's start the session. Here, students, you can see a picture. In this picture, you can see many things. What are they? Here you can see cat, Ted, bed, right? Let us read the sentences. Ted is on the bed. Ted is on the bed. Ted is on the bed. Ted bed के ऊपर है. He has a pet. Pet. He has a pet. Ted's pet is a cat. Ted's pet is a cat. Ted का जो pet है वो एक cat है. So we can see many things in the picture, and also by the sentences we know many things. Like the boy is named Ted and he has a pet. Pet is on the bed. So many words with S sound. For example, bed, pet, Ted. Let us move forward and see another picture. Here you can see a picture of den. Right, students? Let us read sentences with this picture. It is a den. It is a den. Let us go to the den. Let us go to the den. Ben's den has a bell. Here you can see words like Ben, den, which are with S sound. Here, words like den, ben, bell are with S sound. Let us see the last picture and frame some sentences more. In this picture, you can see hen, eggs, net, right? It will be so interesting to read sentences. Let us do. It is a fat red hen. It is a fat, red, hen. It is a fat red hen. Red hen है जो कि बहुत fat है. Ben met the red hen. Here you can see all of the words are almost with S sound. Ben, ben, met, the, red, hen. Ben met the red hen. So many words with S sound like Ben, met, red, hen. Next is 10 eggs in the net. In the net we can see 10 eggs, 10. I hope students you all enjoyed the session. You can easily read with the help of sound words you already know. Some of them are sight words. Some of them are the words you already read in the previous sessions. Frame them together and start reading. That's all for today's session.